I'd hop on here really quick and do a really quick tutorial on how to use these colors. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. They look great on everybody. They enhance the color of your eyes beautifully. And you could use this for a day or nighttime look, and there are so many different ways you can use these colors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Now, these colors are available in the presenter kit. So the presenter kit is $99. If you were to purchase these 4 colors, any 4 colors in a quad palette is $52. So for $99, you're also getting over $300 worth of other products, okay? So it is an amazing deal if you just want to use it as a deal. So don't think when I say presenter kit, oh my God, you have to sell. You actually don't. You can just get the amazing products and use them. And anytime you want to buy something for yourself or as a gift or whatever, you get your commissions 3 hours after you purchase your gift. Now, if you wanted to work it as a business, you can. I could easily show you how to do that. It's super fun and we could be partners. So it's amazing. Okay, so anyway, here we go. Let's go ahead and go through this. So this color, I am just going to kind of pop this color all over my lid. I'm just kind of using I am using the blending brush just to kind of messily put it on. There's no rhyme or reason. This color is very pretty. I'm going to use it again afterwards. But now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous color. It is called Agile. If you do not have this brush, you need to get this brush. It is an amazing brush. It's called the blending brush. You actually get another brush in the presenter kit, which I will be using in a second. So I'm just using this color. You just need a tiny bit. All of these colors have primer infused, so I actually do not have any primer on my face, on my eyes, I mean. My face, yes I do. But you do not need any extra primer. So all I'm doing is putting a little of the color on the outside here and then blending it in. And do you see how right away it's just opening up my eyes and giving me a great area to start, okay? So I'm really using this color as a transition color and into my crease. If you have a hooded eye like me, you want to bring it up a little higher than you normally would. Kind of look at yourself in the mirror. I have a mirror here, sorry guys, because it's really hard to do it in my tiny little phone camera. Okay. Blending is going to be your best friend. A little goes a long way, so you could always add color. It is harder to take away color. So I just start with a little and then just keep blending. I will mention, the brush that you get will not have dog bites. Yeah, my little Roxy likes to eat my makeup brushes. So, okay, there you go. That's Agile. We may go back to that color. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this color, which is one of my favorite all-time colors. It is called, I'm pretty sure it's called Marvelous. It is a deep dark brown color. This I am going to apply with this brush that you actually will get. It's a fluffy crease brush. This is the brush you will be getting in your presenter kit if you decide to join. If not, definitely get this brush. These 2 brushes I pretty much use every single time. It's just, they're so easy to use and blend. So I'm really just keeping this color on the outer edge of my eye. It's like the outer V area, and you see how that color just gives you a little bit more depth and dimension. So you just want to kind of keep it here. You do not want to go past your pupil or even past the end of your eye here. So you just kind of keeping it to the outer V. All right, you can always go back with your blending brush and blend again. I'm not adding any more color to it, I'm just blending it. How pretty is that? Now, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go back with this color, I'm gonna switch brushes, I am going to take the deluxe brush, and now I'm going to pack on the color. I'm just pressing it on, tap off for any excess, and you're just kind of putting it on the lid here. Do you see how pretty that is? I didn't even blend it yet, okay? And I'm tapping it on, tap, tap, tap. I'm not wiping it. That's also a key to putting on your makeup. You don't always have to be swiping. I'm tapping it on. You could see that, little taps. Hopefully that helps you. Okay, now go back and blend. I just want to blend these two colors in. And then you could kind of assess where you are. I really want to get a little bit more of these two colors. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and go with my crease brush, which is a little bit more of a defined brush. I'm just going to kind of take both of the colors. And I'm just going to stick here right in the outer part. And we're going to go back and blend it. I'm going to take my fluffy crease brush. Blending is going to be your best friend when it comes to makeup, so don't feel like if you have an eye product at home that is not easy to blend, get rid of it. Because your eye makeup should be easy and blendable no matter what the colors are that you're using. These colors are super blendable. They are so easy and they're gonna last you like a lifetime, no joke, okay? I barely have a dent in these colors. Okay, so now this color is so gorgeous. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna take your deluxe brush. Again, I'm just going to tap the color. I'm not swiping, and I'm just tapping right here on the lid. You can use your finger if you prefer. I do not really like getting my fingers wet or dirty, so I'm just tapping this color right there. How gorgeous is that? Okay, so knock off any of the excess. Now, with this color is a shimmer color. Again, I'm not swiping, I'm just pressing. It is important with your shimmer colors, do not swipe, just press. If you want these colors to pop even more, here's a secret. Wet your brush. Either run it underneath the sink, spray it with your rose water, spray it with your setting spray, and then dip it into the pigment. Your color will pop even more. It's gorgeous. This color you can actually use, once I finish my face, you can actually use this color to highlight on the apples of your cheek, on your nose, anywhere you really want to highlight, okay? Your Cupid's bow, anywhere. So this color is gorgeous. I'm just going to go back and blend a little bit more. Okay, now this color actually too, you could even bring up above underneath your brows. I'm not going to do that, but what I am going to do is take, just gonna kind of wipe it off. I'm gonna take this color and just kind of put it underneath here because I want to keep this a little bit more of a matte finish. But I want to bring a little attention up here. This color is also great. If you happen to put on your pigments and it's a little too dark, use this and blend it out. It will actually dull the colors and look really, really pretty. Okay, so there you have it. I'm gonna go finish off my face. At the end, I will bring these two colors down underneath the lower lid. I'm not gonna do that yet because I have nothing on my face yet. But once I finish, I will put these underneath the lower lash line, mascara, and done. Voila. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.